Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and clicking the bell icon. You will get notified whenever we publish a new video.
A dry cough is like you feel as if something's got stuck in the throat, but you cannot get it out even with continuously coughing. Gargle, one of the most common remedies is to gargle with warm salt water. Salt water can help ease the discomfort caused by a cough. It is also help thread through osmosis. Honey, an excellent alternative remedy to treat cough and can be used by both adults and children alike. However, children below 2 years of age should not be given due to the risk of botulism. Honey has analgesic property that eliminate the mucus and soothes your throat. Honey also has strong antioxidant and antimicrobial properties which are effective for relieving sore throat. Honey can be taken by mixing it in warm milk or water. Ginger. It is one of the best natural cure for a cough. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and helps soothe irritation caused by sore throat. Cut fresh ginger into small pieces, crush it if you like. Add it to a cup of water and bring to a boil. Drink it once it's cooled. Try drinking this herbal solution for at least thrice a day for relief from non-stop coughing, sore throats and even congestion. Turmeric has a therapeutic effect of coughs. Due to its high curcumin content, turmeric is quite effective in treating viral infection like cough and cold. Curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory effect and is a very strong antioxidant. Add 1 tablespoon each of fine turmeric powder and black pepper to a cup of boiling water. Boil this for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it comes down to half. You can add a little honey to this solution and take it thrice a day for a quick relief from dry cough. Garlic can be one of the best herbal cures for coughs. The active component allicin in garlic has antimicrobial, antibacterial and antiviral properties. Allicin, which is responsible for the pungent odor of garlic, has a number of health benefits. It also boosts the immunity system. Put 2 to 3 cloves of garlic in a glass of water and boil it. Add a teaspoon of oregano to the mixture. Add some honey once cooled off and drink it. If you like the video, give it thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more tips.